Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 194 of Trading Talk. A good trend strategy is a must in Eddie Trader's toolkit, and in this episode one of our senior traders shows you how to find optimal trend entries and exits. An update on the Algo trading conference. Our head of trading, Ali, and I caught up with Perry, Trevor and Stefano this week to discuss some of the strategies that they're going to be presenting, and let me tell you, they're looking fantastic. So even if you've been to all our previous conferences, I'm pretty sure you won't have seen strategies like these before. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about what the strategies involve, give us a call on the trading desk. It's 0390185438, and we'd be happy to give you some more details. Get your ticket today so you can attend and take home a complete model from each of the traders and set it up on your demo account straight away. Now, if you like these videos, make sure you like and subscribe to them on YouTube so you can get all the updates. And I really hope you enjoy this episode of Trading Talk. Until next week, all the best with your trading.